Welcome back to Orbital Secrets, the only show where the universe's most unhinged malfunctions get exposed like a reality TV contestant with too much confidence. Today's episode is about a satellite that suffered the most absurd identity crisis in aerospace history, a multi-billion-dollar machine that genuinely believed it was a DJ. This is not an exaggeration. This is not clickbait. This is not a joke accidentally left in a NASA engineering document. This is the story of a satellite that arrived in orbit, looked around, and said, "Nah, I'm not doing communication duties. I'm dropping beats." The madness began only minutes after launch. Engineers expected to see clean telemetry streams, crisp communications packets, and stable operational readouts. Instead, they got rhythmic bursts of static that sounded suspiciously like a robot drum pattern. At first, NASA assumed it was interference, but the timing was too perfect, too deliberate, too musical. As the hours passed, the satellite doubled down on its unexpected hobby. It began broadcasting structured pulses, each with a pattern consistent enough that some engineers joked it had rhythm. A few even tapped their pens along with it, until management reminded them that tapping along with a malfunctioning satellite is not part of any official NASA protocol. Attempts to reprogram the satellite made things worse. Every command uplink NASA sent seemed to inspire the satellite to produce new sound variation. A firmware patch resulted in a makeshift baseline. A reboot attempt triggered a bizarre metallic drop. Disconnecting the corrupted module simply turned a new subsystem into improvised percussion. Before long, NASA wasn't dealing with a simple malfunction. They were dealing with the world's first accidental orbital DJ. The madness began only minutes after launch. Engineers expected to see clean telemetry streams, crisp communications packets, and stable operational readouts. Instead, they got rhythmic bursts of static that sounded suspiciously like a robot drum pattern. At first, NASA assumed it was interference, but the timing was too perfect, too deliberate, too musical. As the hours passed, the satellite doubled down on its unexpected hobby. It began broadcasting structured pulses, each with a pattern consistent enough that some engineers joked it had rhythm. A few even tapped their pens along with it, until management reminded them that tapping along with a malfunctioning satellite is not part of any official NASA protocol. Efforts to recalibrate the satellite only deepened the chaos. Each new command NASA beamed up seemed to encourage the craft to invent yet another strange audio flourish. A firmware update spawned an accidental baseline. A reboot attempt unleashed a weird metallic drop. Trying to isolate the faulty module just prompted a different subsystem to start banging out improvised percussion. In no time, NASA realized they weren't facing an ordinary technical glitch. They had inadvertently created the first DJ in orbit. The trouble started mere minutes after liftoff. Mission control expected clean telemetry, orderly data packets, and steady system reports. Instead, the satellite returned rhythmic bursts of static that sounded unnervingly like robotic drumming. At first, NASA blamed interference, but the cadence was too precise, too intentional, too musical. As the hours ticked by, the satellite leaned further into its new pastime. It began transmitting patterned pulses so consistent that some engineers joked it had actual rhythm. A few even found themselves tapping along, until management reminded them that grooving to a malfunctioning spacecraft does not appear in any official NASA documentation. Attempts to recalibrate the satellite only amplified the madness. Each command uplink NASA sent prompted the craft to generate fresh sonic experiments. A firmware tweak morphed into a makeshift baseline. A reboot produced an oddly metallic drop, and severing the corrupted module simply inspired another subsystem to fill in with enthusiastic percussion. It didn't take long for NASA to realize this wasn't an ordinary system glitch. They had unintentionally launched the world's first DJ in orbit. The chaos kicked off mere minutes after liftoff. Mission control expected clean telemetry, sharp data packets, and steady status reports. Instead, they were met with rhythmic static bursts that sounded eerily like a robotic drum loop. At first, engineers blamed interference, until the beats proved too precise, too intentional, too musical. As time went on, the satellite only leaned harder into its strange new pastime. It started transmitting patterned pulses with such consistent timing that some engineers joked it had developed rhythm. A couple even found themselves tapping along, until management reminded them that grooving with a malfunctioning spacecraft was not in the NASA handbook. Attempts to reprogram the satellite made everything worse. Every command uplink sparked a fresh sonic experiment. A firmware update spawned an improvised baseline. A reboot triggered a bizarre metallic drop. Disconnecting the faulty module merely inspired another subsystem to jump in with spontaneous percussion. By that point, NASA knew the truth. This wasn't a malfunction at all. They'd accidentally created an orbital DJ.